Avoiding common errors with pronoun agreement and consistency. Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we will dive into the realm of pronouns, focusing on pronoun agreement and consistency. In this video, we'll explore some of the common errors people make with pronouns and, most importantly, how to avoid them. So, let's get started. First, let's define what we mean by pronoun agreement. This is the principle that a pronoun should agree in number, singular or plural, and gender, male, female, or neutral, with the noun it replaces. Here's a simple example. John lost his hat. His is a pronoun that agrees with John in both number and gender. Unfortunately, we often see mistakes when it comes to pronoun agreement. For instance, each student must bring their book. This is incorrect because each student is singular, while their is plural. The correct sentence would be, each student must bring his or her book. Another common error is using the wrong gender pronoun, as in, Sarah found his book. Here, his is incorrect because it doesn't match the female noun, Sarah. The correct pronoun would be her. Sarah found her book. Moving on, let's talk about pronoun consistency. This means that once a specific point of view, first, second, or third person, is established in a sentence or paragraph, it should not change. Consider the sentence, when one drives, you should keep your eyes on the road. This sentence is inconsistent because it starts in the third person, one, and switches to the second person, you. The consistent version would be, when one drives, one should keep one's eyes on the road. Inconsistency often happens when switching between singular and plural pronouns within the same sentence or paragraph. For instance, if a person is hungry, they should eat. This is inconsistent because a person is singular, but they is plural. To correct this, we should say, if a person is hungry, he or she should eat. Also, avoid changing the person. If you start with you, stick with you throughout. A mistake would be, you should finish your homework before one starts to play. It would be better to say, you should finish your homework before you start to play. There you have it, folks. We have explored pronoun agreement and consistency, highlighting some common errors and how to avoid them. Remember, when using pronouns, ensure they match in number and gender with the nouns they replace and keep your point of view consistent. These simple tips can greatly improve the clarity and quality of your writing. Thanks for joining us today and happy writing!